Now, strictly speaking, this is where tonight's program would have ended. However, tonight there will actually be 2 additional awards. As you will now understand, the judging panel had an extremely difficult job to do and asked that these 2 additional awards be made. So, without further ado, presenting the next award, the first of the 2 extra special secret awards, is Grant McLean. He'll be presenting, and he's someone you may know as a prolific open source contributor and advocate. So come on up, Grant.
Thank you, Catherine. So I'm privileged to be here to present the first of tonight's special awards. You will have noticed there are no details of this award in your program, so I have the rather difficult job of briefly summarising this individual's remarkable catalogue of contributions. If we had categories for the most prolific contributor of code to one project, or for the most diverse range of projects contributed to, this person would probably be a winner in both. If we had a category for encouraging others to contribute, welcoming them, nurturing their contributions and making them feel valued members of the community, this person would be a winner. If we had a category for not just having great ideas, but actually getting stuck in and making those ideas a reality, this person would be a winner. If we had a category for thinking long and hard before putting their hand up to work on yet another project, this person would not be a winner. Of course, this person was nominated both as an individual and as a project contributor in a number of categories this evening, but the judges felt that this person's contributions transcended the system of categories. Recognising them in one area would overlook their remarkable contributions in so many others. In her day job, she works as technology lead, empowering innovation in government services. Previous work roles included working on the Dictionary of New Zealand Sign Language, and in typical fashion, her contributions continued even after she moved on to a new job. As we've just heard, she was a founding member, trustee and lead developer on the Whare Hoora project. She is an inveterate lover of gadgets and has even managed to combine this interest with her love of gardening. The Internet of Things extends to her vegetable patch. And she's an active developer on the growstuff.org site, which helps gardeners track what they plant and harvest. She's active in local user groups and with helping kids learn to code, and has also served as an Internet NZ counsellor. So please join me once again in recognising Brenda Wallace.
I've got 3 now. My mum's here. I want to dedicate this to my mum. She's over there. She's awesome. Thank you.